open your hood, see the radiator's low, and think, I'll just pour some water. Well, congratulations, you just gave your engine a future headache. Today, let's talk about the big question. Water versus coolant. Which one's actually better for your engine? Let's start with plain water. Sure, it cools down your engine. It's cheap, easy, and you probably have it in your kitchen right now. But here's the problem. Water boils too easily and freezes too quickly. In extreme heat, it can turn to steam and cause overheating. And in cold weather, it freezes solid. Not exactly great for your radiator, huh? Now, coolant, also known as antifreeze, is the superhero version of water. It's a mix of water plus chemicals like ethylene glycol. That combo raises the boiling point and lowers the freezing point, keeping your engine safe in any weather. Coolant also has anti-corrosion additives, meaning it protects your engine's metal parts from rust and scale buildup. So, should you ever use water? In an emergency, yes. If your car's overheating in the middle of nowhere, go ahead and top up with water. But as soon as you can, flush it and refill with proper coolant. Your engine will thank you with smoother performance and a longer life. So remember, water is for drinking, coolant is for cooling. Hit that like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more quick car tips like this one.